Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be playing with one of the most expensive items in my whole collection. It is the Pat McGrath Mothership in Moonlit Seduction. She is an expensive girl. Some might say overpriced. Most would say overpriced. Probably everyone would say overpriced, but you cannot deny how beautiful she is. She's just stunning. Even the packaging, beautiful. So I'm really excited to play around with her today. I'm never ever throwing this out. This is staying with me for the rest of my life. I'm going on a date tonight, so I want to do something really pretty, really easy, and just really sparkly, which is my go-to right now. Also, I would never buy this full price. I waited for the sale. Okay, always wait for the sale. So let's get into it. I'm going to be doing my eye makeup first and then my face makeup later on. Grabbing some concealer, I'm gonna put this on my eyelids. I cannot explain to you how badly I need to clean my brushes. It is atrocious. Beautiful pinky matte shade first. And I'm going to begin by placing this, oh, she's pigmented, oh my god, on the outer corner of my eyelid, just tapping it in to start with. So I'm going on the outer eyelid and just into the crease, and just gently smoking it out. I'm very lightly and very gently going to push the product into the crease area. A little bit of product goes a long way. And whenever I do add a bit more product onto my eye, I just dab it right on that outer corner and blend it out and then slowly push the outer edges around. So I'm not going in with a big dollop right there. I'm pretty happy with that. We're now gonna grab the darkest matte in the palette and I'm gonna tap that right on the outer corner. So exactly where we were before, but just in a smaller area to add that extra dimension. Not too much, just a little bit. Like that's it. What do I wanna do next? I don't even know. I just really wanna put shimmers all over my lid. This shade right here is calling my name. This is Bronze Seduction, this one right here. And with my finger, I'm going to just tap that. Right there. Right there. I don't know how to explain where that is. It's sort of where the pink meshes in with just the concealer. Wow, a little goes a long way. I'm just gonna tap it out. Look at that, it just takes up the whole lid. I'm just gonna put it on the whole lid. We're gonna go over it. I haven't used this shade before, it's so pretty. And going back in with that pink, what's her name? With this light matte pink Rosewood Romantic, we're gonna just blend that out. Right where those edges are. Oh, it's pretty. So pretty. Now, obviously, we need another shimmer. So we're gonna go in with this blinding one over here. Astral Gold Lust. Again, with my finger, that's just stunning. I can't even comprehend it. And we're just gonna tap her right on the center of the lid only. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Can you see the sparkles? Can you see it? And we're gonna tap her slightly above where the crease is just for a bit of fun. Because why not? And because I loved that so much, we're just gonna have to go in with one more shimmer. Just one more. Going in with one of my favorite shades in the palette. This is Blitz Venus. This is Blitz Venus. She's gorgeous. I love her. And I'm going to put her on that inner corner. Honestly, her all over my lid would just be happy days. That's a perfect look for me. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my face, so let's do it.
Feel me? Yeah, she my peanut butter jelly snack, pull it, ride, lusky, painting. That's my sunshine when it's raining. That's my boo, yeah. When I'm all alone, she pulled through. So when I catch that wave, we gon' move. But then again, we probably won't. Cause I know she like to stay at home. And she probably gon' shoot me dead before the devil try to take my soul. Yeah, I call that love TKO. This thing here way too cold. We gon' shine like a pot of gold. If you didn't know, now you know. Feel me? Don't ask me how I been, how I do.
My face makeup is now complete. So now we're gonna finish off the bottom lash line for the eyes. We're gonna keep it simple and we're just gonna go back in with this Rosewood Romantic shade. And we're gonna pop that along the bottom lash line. To deepen the outer corners, I'm gonna grab this shade. I'm gonna keep that as tight as I can to the lash line. I'm also going to go into the waterline with a light nude pencil and tide line the top lash line as well with a black. And lastly, we're going to pop a bit of eyeliner on the top lashes. Just a little bit. Okay, whoops. Famous last words. And that is how we are looking. Let's apply some mascara. And here we have the look all completed. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what palette you want to see next. I love you so much. I hope you have a wonderful day and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!